Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.